gathers in the park. A dispute quickly turns into threats. Several guys surround one person, thinking numbers will solve everything. He stands aside, watching calmly, as if it has nothing to do with him. When one of them steps forward, he slowly turns and says quietly, "Are you sure you want to continue?" Laughter follows. Mockery. They don't understand. He takes a single step, and the conversation ends. Not with shouting, not with chaos, with one movement and a heavy gaze that makes the air feel wrong. No one falls, but everyone steps back. The silence presses harder than any punch. He looks down at them and calmly adds, "Strength is not numbers, it's will." He turns and walks away without looking back. The crowd stays frozen, realizing they just faced something they shouldn't challenge. Sometimes to win, you don't need to fight. You just need to be recognized as a threat.